Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Father Jules. You are seeing my office, a nice office with my pictures, and this is my personality. And um, I remember the beautiful saying, when you are young, you use your health to gain wealth. When you go old, you use your wealth to gain health. But now I'm 60 years old. It seems that I have no wealth. Huh? I have no material wealth, but it seems I accumulated a lot of spiritual wealth. Huh? Every year I accumulate many, and I don't want to change it. Huh? Usually, when it's New Year, they will say, change all, change everything, change your vices, change your attitude and everything. But for me, I have my great experience that I didn't accumulate wealth. I accumulate spiritual wealth that I do not want to replenish it. I just want to add something on it, to make my life more complete, more beautiful, more nice, more appealing, more friendly, to make my life so complete and happy. And it's the Lord who gave me that spiritual wealth. He is the only one who can give me that. That's why I'm so happy that I can share my life. I am here at St. Michael. It's a very big community, and I'm helping a big community. That they should also be like that. That we are building, we come here to St. Michael, we are building not wealth, we share it. But the more we share the wealth to the church, to our community, to those who are in need, then we accumulate something that is joy, spiritual joy. The sign that there is that there is joy is we accumulate the spiritual wealth. Now, I think I don't want to change. I want to be Father Jules all the time. I want to be happy. I want to be lively. I want to be active. I want to be reaching to you all, because I want myself. I did not gain wealth, but I have gained a lot of friendship, a lot of wealth that cannot be replenished by anything. So now I just want to add and add and add friendship, love, camaraderie, all these things. And the best way to change our life and to gain wealth is when we go to confession, we remove sin and vices. Then don't leave yourself void. Don't leave your heart void, but replenish it with goodness, good work, activeness. Then you will find yourself so happy. When you remove sin and vices and negativity into your life, don't leave something there empty. Don't leave it void. Put something there. We have so many things to put there. And love, friendship, humility, kindness, simplicity of life. Then what will happen to us? We will forget the negativity and sinfulness of us. What will remain here is the virtue, the goodness that we have. So, thank you for listening to me, not only hearing to me, but listening. I would like to say to you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you all.